Girl?
Married.
Marilyn, you're from where?
California.
And
you are? Bruno.
Maria.
Maria, what?
Maria.
From where?
From where? From New York.
New York. Are you sure from New York?
Yeah.
I'm sorry?
Are you sure you're from New York?
Yeah, don't I look like one?
Okay.
Well, it shows that you love to eat. Well, that's
No,
good.
I'm full figured.
Super full.
I've tried to take your shots, but it's.
I don't
You
fit
gotta
in the
work
legs.
it. You gotta work it.
It's
You
not
know.
just working that well, you know.
Yeah.
And there's something that went there that didn't.
Okay.
Oh my god, girl, what's with the bell? It sucks.
Well, it's a good thing that you wear a belt, but try to experiment a little, maybe, and choose a better color or a better style.
Yeah. And next
So-
time, wear some heels.
Exactly.
There's a modeling
I'm
contest.
wearing heels.
It's not working with you, girl. Thank you.
Just give us a few moments while we wait for our decision for the qualifying.
Thanks.
Thanks. So,
Minutes
it's gonna
later.
be
Girls! We're here for the decision.
okay, and the finalists, as you all know,
Wait.
I have here the pictures of each and every one. You try to edit it? And the final decision. I am so sorry, girls. There's no one who passed.
See you next season. Alright, girls, come in. Let's go. Come on.
Show them the skin.
Wait, you keep on bouncing.
Oh yeah. Those are the same poses. Give me more. Give me more. Oh yeah. Why are they like this? Okay, girl, work it. Wow, you don't have the belt now. That's good. Work it. Can you bend a little? Bend. More. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, go. What's happening to our
Next.
Stop bouncing. You're walking and you're already bouncing. Why are you wearing glasses?
I can see.
Yeah, go. Stop it, go. Go away, go.
Go, come on.
Here. Okay.
You want to say something, Louise?
Yeah.
It's actually worse than before.
But I like it that you lost the belt. That's good. That's the only improvement. That's good.
She's wearing the same heels.
And still no heels.
No heels.
It's a really tough decision that we're gonna do right now. I think we're gonna think. Okay, there's just one who qualified, and that
You're assuming already.
so as we all know, have here the pictures, and I'm gonna give the picture of whoever qualifies for this competition, and it's gonna be. Oh my God.
That's not you,
wish.
Taray.
Oh my God!
Congratulations, Louise.
Finally, you're a graduate.
Congratulations, and for those who didn't make it,
See you next season.
see you next season.
Season 10.
I won't take pictures anymore. Don't like the pictures don't like you anymore.
But I bought. I'm so sorry.
Where's the other one?
Oh, with the...
Oh, now you have a scar.
What's with this car? Oh, okay, that's for Amiga. Didn't work for her.
Is it cold? Why do you guys have scarves?
What's your number again? 2316, right? And your Berna.
Maria.
Maria, I'm sorry.
Oh, this is Berna.
This
Sorry.
is Berna, okay.
Okay, guys, I do believe that it really worked out well for us.
Try to lose some weight.
Yes, and
Please.
please try to select a better color for you and maybe some heels and, you know, a little pizzazz. You know.
You don't have pizzazz.
Yeah, exactly. Pizza.
That's what you get. And that's what becomes of you when you eat too much pizza. So
Yeah,
stop
so-
the pizza.
If you cancel the pizza, you get pizza. Just like that.
Maybe
So, what
ears for your tummy, you know. Tummy.
Okay, fine. Go.
So sorry. Bye.
Wow, you're working it out more. I think I'm gonna get your pictures now.
It's so nice even the scarf.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thanks. Maria?
Maria?
Bring it, girl.
My God, what's wrong with you, honey?
Okay, girls.
Come in, please. Who's good?
Go, Charm. I don't know how to project.
One more for the picture.
She's the
Okay.
first girl.
You're
As you-
Maria?
Mhm.
Are you sure?
From last I remember.
Yes. Okay. Love the spikes.
Exactly.
That used to be my name.
Spike.
No, I'm just totally blown off because the last time I saw you, you were like, but now look at you.
Great improvement. What did you do?
Steroids.
Okay. I mean, aside from steroids, what else?
You might be disqualified.
Yeah.
Oh, exercise
Akala ko
and
eat.
proper diet and exercise.
Oh, okay. See, that did well to you. Right?
Yeah.
What about you, Miss J?
I have nothing to say.
Okay.
Oh my God, for the first time, he is speechless.
It's
That's rare.
So nice of you.
Yeah, he's speechless. Okay, now we have a decision.
Okay. And I'd like to comment. Excuse me. Really, overwhelmed with that.
Go ahead, you can pick up your jacket. Thank you.
Okay. And this season's winner is. Sorry, honey, but it's her. Maria! Congratulations! Congratulations!
Thank you guys. So